So this video is going to cover how to set up the roll paper on the large format printers. I'm going to break it down to a couple parts. I'm going to start with how to load paper. And the second video will just cover the menu options. And then we'll move on to the software, the print tracker. Okay, so to begin with, when you come in here, the printer may or may not have been used for a while. So, and I'll show you again when we get to the menu bar. But if you press the OK button on the right side, where see the circle, press the OK button to start the machine up. If it's been in sleep mode for a while, it might take a couple of minutes. Okay? All right. Please hold the roll paper in place. And this core is expandable to 2-inch or 3-inch. And that's going to change depending upon the roll paper. A larger roll, 24 inches, 36. We'll have larger. So, this is my wallpaper. This is 24-inch premium luster. And let me swing this a little bit. Okay, so I usually do this on the table. This gray handle in the upright position is unlocked. So you want to insert this, push it all the way down tightly, and then clamp it. I'm going to turn it over and do the same thing. Okay, so that's good to go. Let me move this back. Okay, there's a depression in the front of the machine. And this is intended for you to temporarily rest the roll paper in. So you're not trying to hold it all in one hand or awkwardly move it in place. So let it sit there for a minute. Push the left clamp back all the way. And make sure the edge of the paper is over the top. And then you can roll it back into place. I'm going to rotate it so that I have easy access to the front of the roll. So I'm going to push it all the way into the right. I'm going to push the clamp in tightly. And while I'm pushing, I'm going to clamp it. And then I'm going to come back to the menu. In the upper right, there's a button. Press that button, it releases the clamps. And I'm going to pull some paper out, put it into the slot. And I'm just going to keep feeding it down. So I can grab it at the bottom. I'm going to pull it down maybe 4 inches past the end of the meter. Right here is a little similar paper, and below that by maybe 4 inches. And then I'm going to press the clamp back. Once I do that, the printer will check to see if there's a roll in here, and it will adjust itself, and hopefully place it in the right position to print and give me a ready sign. If it doesn't, which sometimes happens, it's likely because the clamps here are too loose and paper's gone in an angle, in which case you'll need to take the paper out and reclamp it so that it's straight. I think we're doing okay. We'll know in just a minute. What's happening as it adjusts itself, is the head is moving back and forth, and the sensors are located at the edge of the paper. And they're using the edge of the paper to align itself. And we have a prompt that came up, roll paper settings. Are these settings okay? Premium glossy. If it isn't, we're going to scroll down to no. And I'm going to locate Buster. Okay. So it's clogged nozzles detected, cleaning recommended. We're going to look at that in a minute, but the roll paper itself is in place. That part of it, at least, is ready to go. So I'm going to end this video segment and then focus in on the menu options.